Today we're going to remove the battery from a 2015 Jeep Compass. Alright, so it looks like this one is missing the intake piping there that goes from here. But it looks like you'll just have to remove these two retainer screws and it comes off. The tools that you'll be needing will be a 10mm socket and a 13 with an extension to grab the battery clamp that's way down there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and grab our 10mm and let's go ahead and loosen up the negative terminal first. And we'll go ahead and take that off from there. And just wiggle it back and forth and out it comes. Now let's go ahead and undo the positive terminal. Same thing with the 10. Let's go ahead and loosen that up. And we'll go ahead and remove it from this location as well. Just like so, and set this also to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our 13 with our extension and reach all the way down there, and we'll go ahead and drive it out. Alright, there it is, and just go ahead and drive it all the way out. There it is. Then just go ahead and remove that without dropping the screw or the bolt. It's kind of hard to see without the light down there. There it is. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and take out the battery. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2015 Jeep Compass. I don't know why the hell they had this one. Forklift. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.